Hey everyone, it's Paul with your Bold Profits Daily. Today I want to give you an update and a follow-up on a stock that I have been telling you to buy for a long time now. And I've gotten some comments in some of the videos saying, hey Paul, I got in and I made 30%, 40%. Maybe some of you have even made 50% and off a free video. How great is that? And before I go into that, I want to ask you to please subscribe to this channel. Set that reminder, that little bell that tells you the moment new content is posted. I have phenomenal content on this channel. I want to mention my Twitter handle, which is Mampilly Guru on Twitter, and I'm constantly posting great information about all kinds of market-related economy stuff. So make sure you're subscribed into all of that, and also on Facebook at Paul Mampilly Guru, where a lot of that information is also posted. Okay, so this week an update on what I believe has been a very popular trade among Bold Profits readers. One more plug. Subscribe to Bold Profits Daily. That's our free newsletter. For absolutely free, you get great trades information. All right, and it is in the world of, some people call it alternative energy. I call it new energy. And those of you that have been watching these videos know that I have been telling you to buy the Invesco Solar ETF, which has the brilliant ticker symbol of TAN, TAN. And I've been telling you to buy this for a while because really starting about last year, I started to see that the cycle for solar stocks had turned and it was starting to bottom out, and it was going to be a huge, massive opportunity to make money from these incredible stocks as they take share from the old world of oil and gas and all that stuff that really belongs to a different time. And we transition to a new world where we get a lot of the power from the sun, some from wind, some from geothermal, other from hydropower, and where that becomes a rising and large part of our energy system around the world. And those of you that followed me from the time I originally recommended this, as I mentioned, 40, 50%. Now, quite recently, and here's the update, these stocks have actually gone through a little bit of what Wall Street calls a correction. What's a correction? So correction is really where the folks that run Wall Street, market makers, etc., they take a lot of orders in, allow prices to be bid up. Now the demand, short term, has been absorbed. When sellers come, the prices can be moved down. And who buys somewhere near the bottom there? Well, it's our friends on Wall Street again. They buy the cheap stock in, and then the game begins anew, which is how can we get you to buy it at higher prices? And that game is now beginning because I believe that there's enough cheap inventory now at the people that want you to buy, and they will start to mark prices up. So you need to get in and you need to stay in. Those of you that are in 10, I would tell you you should stay in. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm an idea provider. I'm part of a publishing business called Bold Profits, and we've got a series of newsletters, and you'd like to try one of those, go read in the description and you can find out how you can subscribe to one of them. My flagship publication is called Bold Profits. And in my publications, I use all the information that I gather to put in stock picks and to try and time these right. So across my services, we are very, very heavily invested in the new energy megatrend, because it is a megatrend. We're talking about a sector in oil and gas in the old world of energy that is valued in the trillions of dollars. And right now, when you add up the stock market value of all of these new energy companies, it is nothing. It's not even a drop in the bucket. It is not even anything, not a molecule in the ocean. So there is so much upside that is left. And I was recently checking on the earnings of a number of these companies that are in the Invesco Solar ETF. And they're all of them, without exception, are reporting massive, incredible, phenomenal, unbelievable growth. Growth, everywhere growth. And in places like California, solar installers are sold out for a year. You want a battery, you can't get one. That's because, as you might know, in California, they've just turned off the lights. The utility has turned off the lights for months. And people are turning to the sun, and people are turning to new energy companies to put solar on their roof, to put batteries on the side of their house, and to move on from the old way to the new way. And that is true whether it's cars, airplanes, buses. People are using batteries to store energy and then to power these things. And for now, the best way is to buy into this ETF, the Invesco Solar ETF. It's got pretty much most of the companies. And then, of course, you can buy stocks like Tesla, but that's for a different video. So this is my takeaway for today, with another reminder, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, which is that stay in for the solar ETF. Yes, it will have some ups and downs from time to time. However, given the growth that we're seeing at the companies after these quarterly reports, I believe that it is setting up to go higher. So stay in there. And that's my video for this week, and I'll have another one for you next week. Until then, this is Paul saying bye.